It's the first trip I've taken since the publication of Road, the book that made me famous. All over America, college kids thinking Jack Kerouac is 26 years old and on the road. Well, there I am, almost 40, and I'm supposed to be the king of the beatniks. Lawrence Ferlinghetti said, "Come to my cabin in Big Sur." And suddenly another big, huge ball has begun. We're anxious to see great Neil Cassidy.
I'll just spend a couple days with Jack and the gang, and well, I have the most fantastic story to tell you.
What's she look like?
You sound like you stored up a lot of energy out there in the woods.
She's my soulmate, my mistress, and I want her to be happy.
I can see it now. A great big four-way marriage with Neil and Carol.
You're nobody's fool, Jack.
I'd begun to realize that this thing had come too far.
Neil has got to learn to control the forces that run inside of him.
You got me all wrong. I wouldn't be any good for you.
Why can't you follow through with what your heart knows is good and best and true? Jack, I love you.
The golden wash of goodness is spread over all my body and mind. Something good will come out of all things yet, and it will be golden and eternal.